Federal income tax returns are due on April 15, but there are several other important dates to remember throughout the year. Here's the comprehensive income tax calendar for 2024, detailing all the critical deadlines. Remembering this is important to avoid penalties, interest charges, and ensure timely filing of income tax returns or ITR. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the notification button so you can be notified when we upload new videos. The IRS starts accepting tax year 2023 returns on January 29, 2024. It's best to wait until you receive your W-2s, 1099s, and other earnings reports before filing. Most employers and payers must send these forms by January 31. While brokerage firms have until February 15 for some 1099 forms, you don't have to wait until January 29 to start preparing. IRS Free File has been open since January 12, and many software companies accept early electronic submissions, holding them until the IRS begins processing returns. Filing early means getting your refund sooner. For individuals aged 73 and older, required minimum distributions or RMDs from traditional IRAs, 401ks, and similar retirement plans are typically due by December 31 each year. However, the first RMD can often be delayed until April 1 of the following year. But navigating these rules gets tricky for the 2023 tax year due to changes introduced by the Secure 2.0 law, raising the RMD age from 72 to 73 starting that year. Those who turned 72 in 2022 had until April 1, 2023 to take their first RMDs, followed by their age 73 RMD by December 31, 2023. According to Tim Steffen, Director of Advanced Planning for wealth management firm Baird, individuals who turned 73 in 2024 have until April 1, 2025 for their first RMDs, with subsequent RMDs due by April 1 of the following year. An exception exists for individuals still working at age 73 and owning less than 5% of the company. They can delay RMDs from their current employer's retirement plan while still employed. If they stopped working in 2023, the first RMD from that employer's plan is due by April 1, 2024. The second RMD must be taken by December 31, 2024. Remember, delaying the first RMD to April 1 of the following year means the second RMD is also due by December 31 of the same year, potentially impacting your tax bracket or Medicare surcharge, depending on other income sources. This is the first year in a while that federal income tax returns are actually due on the traditional filing day of April 15, since the deadline falls on a Monday rather than a weekend or holiday, except in 2 states, Maine or Massachusetts. Most state income tax returns are due by April 15 too, but some have a different deadline, such as May 1 for Virginia. See your State Department of Revenue for the deadline in your state. You have until April 15, 2024 to contribute to an IRA for the 2023 tax year with a maximum of $6,500, $7,500 if you are 50 or older in 2023. You can choose between a traditional IRA, offering tax-deferred growth and potential tax deductions depending on your income and retirement plan coverage, or a Roth IRA. For a Roth IRA, your modified adjusted gross income must have been below $153,000 for singles or $228,000 for married filing jointly in 2023. While contributions to a Roth IRA don't provide immediate tax benefits, earnings can be withdrawn tax-free after age 59 and a half, provided you've held the account for at least 5 years. There's also another deadline on April 15, estimated taxpayers for the first quarter of 2024. If you earn income that is not subject to federal tax withholding, such as from self-employment, rental property, or investments, you need to find another way to pay the IRS during the year. You can increase withholding from other income, such as if you have another job, or you can make quarterly tax payments. Your second estimated tax payment is due on June 17, 2024, which can be confusing since it's just 2 months after the first quarter due date. This estimated payment is for taxes and money you earned from April 1 through May 31. The deadline is usually June 15, but it's June 17 in 2024 because that date falls on a weekend. The third estimated tax payment is due on September 16, 2024. This is for taxes on money you earned from June 1 through August 31. Similar to your second estimated tax payment, since it falls on a weekend, it is moved to September 16, 2024. The deadline is usually September 15. If you filed for an extension, your tax return will be due on October 15. Remember, money you owed was due on April 15, and you may have a penalty if you did not pay enough by that deadline. Estimate your tax bill when you file for the extension in April. You have to take required minimum distributions from your tax-deferred retirement savings accounts, such as traditional IRAs and 401ks, every year starting at age 73. The amount you must withdraw is based on the life expectancy table for your age and the balance in your account by December 31 of the previous year. Most people can use Table 3, the Uniform Lifetime Table, in the appendix of IRS Publications 590B to calculate the required amount. Your retirement plan administrator can help with the calculations. Many states let you take an income tax deduction for making contributions to a 529 college savings plan. In most states, the deadline is December 31 for the contribution to count for that tax year, says Mark Kantrowitz, author of How to Appeal for More College Financial Aid. However, the deadline is April 15, 2025 for 2024 contributions in Georgia, Mississippi, Oklahoma, South Carolina, and Wisconsin, and April 30 in Iowa. Quarterly estimated taxes are due by January 15, 2025 for money earned from September 1 to December 31, 2024. If you're self-employed or don't have taxes withheld from rental, investment, or other income, you may need to make quarterly estimated taxes. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the notification button so you will be notified when we upload new videos.